At Duncan Aviation, our mission is simple: to provide unparalleled airframe service and support to every customer, every step of the way. From the moment you request a quote to delivery and beyond, we are committed to making your experience seamless, efficient, and worry-free. Our 3 full-service MRO facilities are experienced, skilled, and equipped to handle everything from routine inspections to complete heavy maintenance on the most popular business aircraft. We have extensive OEM authorizations on many makes and models. Our commitment to customer service and our one-stop shop approach to airframe maintenance sets Duncan Aviation apart from our competitors. Our extensive in-house backshop capabilities ensure your aircraft receives comprehensive service. These in-house capabilities allow us full control of project schedules, costs, and quality, delivering innovative solutions tailored to your needs. At Duncan Aviation, transparency and trust are the cornerstones of our customer relationships. Our comprehensive quotes ensure you're fully informed, empowering you to make confident decisions. Your dedicated project manager will guide you through every step of the maintenance process, providing clear updates and honest recommendations. You will track your project's progress in real time through logbook entries and communicating directly with your project manager from anywhere in the world. Our tech reps are among the industry's most experienced and respected experts. With unmatched knowledge of aircraft systems and a passion for teaching, they support customers, OEMs, and our internal teams. Their expertise covers accessories, airframes, avionics, interiors, engines, and more, ensuring your aircraft is always in capable hands. At Duncan Aviation, quality isn't just a promise, it's our standard. Lives depend on the work we do, and we go above and beyond to deliver repairs, inspections, and upgrades that meet the highest safety and reliability standards. And our service doesn't end when you leave our hangars. We provide routine and AOG services wherever you need us, with rapid response teams located across the U.S. Whether it's a quick drop-in service or emergency repairs, our teams are ready to keep your aircraft flying and your operations on track. From start to finish, Duncan Aviation is committed to exceptional service, competitive downtimes, and lasting value. Our reputation for honesty, integrity, and customer satisfaction makes us a leader in the industry. Duncan Aviation, where your aircraft's care is our top priority. Unparalleled service and experience unlike any other.